Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the public notice released by the University Grants Commission in its official website regarding the central sector scheme of national fellowship for providing the fellowship to the scheduled caste students to pursue MPhil and the PhD. Okay, so guidelines governing the award of the fellowship effective from 1st 4 2020. Okay. So from this one here we can check down that what are the objectives of the scheme, scope and the implementing agency and eligibility, the number of fellowships and the duration of fellowship, the rate of fellowships and the procedure for applying the JRF and the evaluation and monitoring the scheme. All these things you can check down. So we will see the important points in this video, and to get the more accurate and the most details that I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you may check down. And so this fellowship, that is NFSC fellowship, is for the scheduled caste students. It's a central sector scheme introducing during the financial year 2005 to 6. Okay, for providing the financial assistance to the students belonging to SC category to pursue the MPhil or PhD in science, humanities, social science in Indian universities, institutions, colleges recognized by the University Grants Commission. Coming to the scope of the scheme, so the scheme provides for a new 2000 fellowships. Okay, 1500 JRF fellows for humanities, social science and 500 JRF fellows for the science stream per year to such scheduled caste students to take the advanced studies and research. And the degrees who have qualified in the following tests, that is NET JRF of UGC or joint CSIR UGC NET JRF. So these 2000 slots are over and above the number of SC students select under the normal reservation policy of the government for UGC fellowships. Okay, so it is one point. And the implementing agency is the University Grants Commission, is a nodal agency for implementing this scheme. And coming to the eligibility, the fellowship shall be awarded to candidates for pursuing the regular and full-time MPhil or PhD courses. And the scheduled caste students who have already secured admission and qualify the NET examination will be given preference. Okay, such candidates will be required to join the fellowship within 3 months of issue of the JRF award letter. And in case the sufficient candidates who have already secured the admission are not available, then the candidates who have not yet secured the admission will be selected in order of merit in the NET examination. And such candidates will be eligible to receive fellowships under the National Fellowship for SC scheme, subject to admission for MPhil or PhD in universities, IITs or institutions. And a scholar is eligible to receive only one fellowship at a time. Okay, so there is no chance to apply for the other fellowships. And after 2 years of joining the JRF, if the progress in the research work of the awardee found satisfactory, then only promoted to the senior research fellowship. And the senior research fellowship continues up to the 3 years. Okay. So the number of fellowships with effect from 2018 to 19. So here the 2000 every year, and out of this 2000, 1500 will be allocated based upon the national eligibility test JRF of UGC, and the remaining 500 they are going to take from the joint CSIR UGC NET JRF test. And if in an academic year the allocated seats 1500 for UGC NET JRF and 500 for joint UGC CSIR NET JRF remain substantially unfilled, 25% or more are unfilled, then the slot allocation may be reviewed in the next academic year. And these 2000 slots will be over and above SC students selected under the normal reservation policy of the government. And coming to the duration of fellowship, for MPhil 2 years, PhD 5 years, integrated the PhD 5 years, meaning MPhil plus PhD. Admissibility of JRF and SRF, so the JRF 2 years in all these 3 categories. And coming to the SRF MPhil, it is nil. And coming to the PhD and MPhil plus PhD, the remaining 3 years will be considered as a SRF. And coming to the fellowship, 31,000 rupees per month for initial 2 years under the JRF, and then the 35,000 rupees. And contingency, 10,000 rupees per annum for initial 2 years, and then the 20,500 rupees per annum. And contingency for sciences, okay, 12,000 rupees per annum, and then 25,000 rupees per annum. And coming to the escort or reader assistance or anything, okay, for the physically and visually handicapped candidates, the 2,000 per month under the JRF and 2,000 per month under the SRF. So these are the, and house rent allowance, okay, 8%, 16 and 24% to those candidates who are not provided with hostel accommodation. So in case the hostel accommodation is provided to the scholar by their institutions, the scholar is eligible to draw only the hostel fee, excluding the mess, electricity, water charges, etc. Okay, so these are the guidelines, guys. So procedure to apply for the scheme of JRF. So UGC is a nodal agency, and the selection of award of fellowship to students will be made on the basis of a merit of each examination. And while the merit for award of fellowship under NFSC will be drawn up through the NET examination, preference will be given to such candidates who have already secured the admission. And candidates who have already secured admission are required to join the fellowship within 3 months of issue of JRF. Okay, so I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may go through this one, guys. So please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications. Okay, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.